Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lady Diswanko, aka Jaja, at pupunta tayo sa Pinangbenga Festival sa Baguio mamaya. At syempre, kita-kits tayo doon. At sana madaming manood and madaming pumunta doon. Excited ako kasi first time kong pumunta ng Baguio with Asterisk Entertainment. And syempre, sana magsasaya tayo later. And kakain muna ako kasama yung parents ko. Papunta doon sa pagkikitaan namin nila Sir Kay. Kasi ihatid lang ako nila mami doon sa pagkikitaan namin para pumunta sa Baguio. Yun. See you guys! And first of all, ito yung outfit ko. Naka-hoodie ako and naka-dress. Wala lang, trip ko lang yung hoodie sa ka-dress. Some pink na pink because this is my favorite color. So, see you na talaga. See you na. See you. Bye!
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. They made me believe love's an open door in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. That ain't what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you're with me, you're with me.
Hello guys, ayun. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa Baguio. And syempre, today, bababa muna tayo doon daw sa float at gagawa ng content. Hello po! Hello po! Nakilala. Ang cute naman nun. Okay, anyways, punta na kami dun sa baba. Meron kaming bagong kasama. Si Serena, welcome! Hi! Welcome sa family. Kulang tayo. Kulang tayo si Mian, si Kyosu, si Serena dapat. Mamimiss ka namin, Mian. Mamimiss mo ba siya?
Ano?
Sumbong ka kay Mian.
Crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I felt. That ain't what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you're with me, you're with me.
Buhatin mo ako yun.
It's not what it seems. It's dark and cold and mean when you're with me, you're with me, you're with me. I thought we were good.
Sarap. Ito yung hinihintay ko sa Baguio. Natikman ko na siya dati.
Kunin mo na yun.
Taste test lang. guys, nandito kami sa kainan ngayon. Magla-lunch na kaya kakain na kami. Kanina hindi ako nakapag-update pero minontage ko naman yung mga video doon sa nangyari sa papunta dito sa Baguio. And this is Sarina again. Let's eat guys. So mag-order muna kami nila Sir Kay. Yes. Hi guys! Doon na kami kumain. Ito, naghahanda na lang kami para mamaya. Pero magpapahinga po muna kami bago kami pumunta dun sa paghahandaan namin para mag-ayos ng face and damit. Magpapalit pa kami ng damit. Hi guys! So, nakaayos na kami and magpe-perform na tayo mamaya. Ito, kasama ko si Kyosu. Siya yung partner ko today. Always naman. Wow! Yay! At ito, si Sarina, mag-ano din siya. Parang hi-hi lang.
Road manager po.
Ay, road manager. Pala yung road manager natin ngayon.
Yes po.
Si Boss Sarina.
Boss Sarina.
Boss Sarina.
Nandito na kami sa Pinagbenga.
Feel ko maraming tao ngayon.
Kinakabahan ako guys.
Mas dumami yung tao ngayong gabi. Kasi may mga perform na ganyan. Yung mga inaabangan nilang artist.
Yep. Ako'y kinakabahan. Pero carry naman. Kaya natin yan. Kaya.
Kinakabahan.
Kaya.
Okay.
Good luck! Let's go guys! Hi guys! Nandito na kami sa backstage. And syempre, mamaya magpe-perform na kami. Ay, ang dami tao nakakaya. Dito tayo.
So hello guys, nandito na po kami. Kaarating lang po namin ulit sa Manila. And kamusta ang biyahe?
Yung Baguio, grabe yung
Tulog.
biyahe, ang layo. Lagi akong tulog, siya gising siya ng gising.
Tulog kayo. Ako hindi ako makatulog kasi sobrang sikip sa tuhod ko. Hindi kaya ng hindi magkasya yung binti ko. But anyway,
kaya pala.
ayun.
Ayun guys, thank you for watching. Sana natuwa kayo sa video namin.
And
Grabe,
sana-
nakakapagod sobra.
Sana next time sa ibang lugar naman.
Oo
And
nga.
see you guys there.
Manifesting. Let's go. See you guys and thank you
Thank
for
you, guys.
watching.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. And ring mo na natin yung bell para laging updated. See you guys. Bye!